everyone, it's Susie. Welcome here. And if you're new, welcome to my channel, Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey. In this video, it is all about Disney. Yeah, this is a quick little pop-up. I acquired all these Disney pins, and if there's any Disney pin collectors out there, I'm sure you know of that website, workandmoney.com. It's all spelled out. There you will see the incredible pins that are worth quite a lot. I mean, they go from 1,000 all the way to 5,000 that have been listed. These, of course, are not in that category, but there are a few that are worth quite a bit. So I want to go over these with you today. First one is this Mickey pin. It's really cute how the rubber backing is shaped like a Mickey. So that's why you see the ears. So if you wear it, you can, wear it that way. But this one is pin one of, no, it's 5 of 5. And it's from 2010. It's one of what they call the hidden Mickey pins. So we have this one. Let me pop that back on. The next one is I'll Be Your Minnie pin. Very sweet. They're all enameled, either silver tone or gold tone. This one is from 2014. There is a number on there, and I think they used to sell these on cruise ships during Valentine's Day season. So there would be another one, I'll Be Your Mickey. But we have that. The next one is really sweet. That's Minnie. Yeah. This one is also embossed on the back. It has that number. And the date on this, I believe, is, let's see, 2012. So we have this one. Let me pop that back on. Next up, we got Spiderman. Yeah. This is, of course, as you know, is Marvel. It's from the Hong Kong Disneyland. This is from 2011. So when I open this up in the back, you can see it says Marvel with the number, the date, and Disneyland Hong Kong. Yeah, on the upper right. So we have this. The next one, let's see if you recognize it. Finding Nemo. It's the Starfish Peach. This is from 2005. It's part of the cast lanyard series. And opening this up in the back, there you see, cast lanyard series 2005. So we have this one. Now, moving up to the second row, I have to say villains are very popular. This is a series of villains, or should I say villainess, that were placed on bowling pins for some reason. This one is from My Little Mermaid, I believe. And it's the villainess from the Ariel villainess. I don't recall her name. The face, oh my gosh, she reminds me of the Joker. It's on a bowling pin. You see the little Mickey emblem on the top? Yeah, this is pretty cute. This is number 2 of 10. And this is also part of the Hidden Mickey Pin series. And it's from 2008. So when I open this, you can see all that. Basically what I just said. I don't remember. Is it Ursula? You tell me. Next one we have is Ariel. She's so cute. It says, I'm not fishing for a compliment. This is also a hidden Mickey pin. This is a 4 of 6 in the series. And this pin is from 2007. And there you can see all that. These pins are in pretty great condition. The only thing is they're not on card. The next one, who is that? That's Cinderella. Yeah, that's Cinderella. I see her glass slipper. This is pin number 1 of 5. Also a hidden Mickey pin, and it's from 2012. So let me show you that close up. This next one, that is Belle from Beauty and the Beast, isn't it? I believe so. Am I wrong? I don't recall. I used to watch all of these Disney films, and I used to know each one of those characters and the songs. And it's been a long time since I've been back to, I don't know if it was called Disneyland or Disney World. I always get them two mixed up. So yeah, I believe this is Belle. This is also a hidden Mickey pin. This is number 5 of 6 from the year 2008. So let me open the back of her up, and you can see what it says. So that's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. The next one, okay, this is Stitch. Yeah, from Lilo and Stitch, right? He is on a little pool float, right? This one is, let's see, what do I know about this one? I don't know anything. There's no information on this one. I can't find it. The back of it is gold tone, and all it says is Disney, made in China. So we have him. Moving on, we got Peppa the Pig. I don't know much about Peppa. I don't think I've ever watched Peppa. I don't know anything about it, but this is also a hidden Mickey pin. It's 2 of 12. This one is actually from Shanghai Disney Resort in 2017. Yeah. So that's Peppa. Is Peppa a girl? And there is the back, really ornate with the Mickey embossed and all that information. There's even Chinese characters on the right side, right below the castle. Okay, so we have Peppa the Pig. Peppa the Pig. Let's go up here. This is Alice. Alice in a frame. Green frame. This is also a hidden Mickey pin. 1 of 5 from 2015. So let me show you the back side, and there you go. Hidden Mickey pin, 1 of 5. There's the pin. It also says Disney, by the way, on the back of these rubber stoppers. Oops. So we have Alice. Here's another one of her. I guess this is when, like, she's falling. Alice, heart-shaped. Also a hidden Mickey pin. And this is number 1 of 5. So when I show you the back side of that, you'll see that information. So we have Alice. And then we have her dress. Yeah, this is from 2017. There's the back. Very cute. Okay, here's another villainess from Alice in Wonderland. That's a Queen of Hearts, isn't it? Yes. This is a hidden Mickey pin, number 2 of 6 from 2008. And there you see it. Let me get that off so you can see it better. 2 of 6, 2008. Next we have a... Okay, this is from Winnie the Pooh. Isn't that Eeyore? The donkey? This pin is actually from Shanghai, China, 2018. There you see it. It's from Shanghai Disney Resort. Next up we have this one-eyed fella. Let's see. Monsters Inc., right? Yes. I think he's from Monsters Inc., the one-eyed alien. I don't know what his name was, but he's from 2016. He's a cutie. Let me show you the back side of him. And let's see where he's from. Disney Pixar. No, it doesn't really say. Okay. There you go. Does he have a name? We have him. Okay, these next 4 are in a little different category. They are valued a bit more than the ones I just showed. This one here is an old-fashioned Mickey version. And he's also a hidden Mickey pin. He's number 3 of 5. He is from 2008. He comes in different colors. This one happens to be the green one. And there's the back of him. It says all that information. So we have him. The second one is a dinosaur. This is also a hidden Mickey pin. This is number 18 of 26 in a series. He's from 2009. He's Rex from Toy Story. And there's the back of him. Okay, there seems to be some discoloration on the back of this pin. So, all right, we have that one. Here's another pin that has an initial, this is S for Stitch, right? Here's that long-eared creature. Also a hidden Mickey pin. This is number 19 of 26. So this is 18. This is 19. And there is the back of this one. Let's see. Stitch is from 2009. Yeah. And then this here. Looks like a little mouse chef, right? He's special. This one is also a hidden Mickey pin. It's from Shanghai Disney Resort. He's number 5 of a series of 12. He's from 2017, so he's fairly new. He is Remy from Ratatouille. And there's the back of him. So we have these 4. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick pop-up of my Disney pins that are available. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If there's anything you'd like to purchase, email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com. The instructions I put in the beginning of the video, after my introduction. I place them below in the description box as well. If anything sells, I will put that in the sold list that I'll create in the comment section, and I'll pin it. So that way, it'll be the first comment that appears. Comment below. Talking about comments, let me know. Do you collect these? Know anything about Disney pins? Do you have any favorite characters? Yeah, I'd like to know. let's chat. So, oh, don't forget, be subscribed. That way you get in on these deals. For my subscribers only, ring the bell, choose all notifications. You'll be alerted that way for any new content that I post. And thanks for spending some time with me today in my Disney Pin pop-up sale. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.